Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special cabbage curry for chapati. This is very tasty when served along with chapati. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1.5 teaspoon coriander seeds, 3 dry red chillies, half teaspoon cumin seeds, half teaspoon peppercorns, 1 teaspoon Toor Dal. Saute for 1 minute on low flame. Now add 5 tablespoons grated coconut. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. After cooling, transfer it into a grinder and add some water. Then grind it smoothly into a paste form. Keep aside for later use. In a cooker, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon Asafoetida powder. Saute it for 1 minute. Then add 1 chopped onion, also some curry leaves. Saute it for another 1 minute. Now add 2 chopped tomato and saute for 2 minutes. Now we can add 250 grams of chopped cabbage. Add 1 cup of soaked chana dal. We have soaked chana dal for 30 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it well, saute for 2 minutes. Now add grounded paste into it. Also add half teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Now add 300 ml or 1.5 cup of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook on high flame for 1 whistle. Then make it into low flame and for 3 whistles. Cooking time for each cooker will be different. After 4 whistles, switch off the flame but keep it rest for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Again switch on the flame. Add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well and cook for 2 minutes. Switch off the flame. Now our tasty cabbage curry for chapati is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.